Welcome back to the channel. Here we are today, and to give you a little update. If you've watched some of my other videos, you see I'm trying to get my Pontiac Grand Am back in a running condition, and it's one little obstacle after the other. So far I've put a couple float pieces in the carburetor, a new alternator, a new water pump, a new starter. Rebuilt the suspension on the left front, and actually by the time I got all that done, I still ended up putting almost a 1/4 inch of extra shims in the top control arm to get the wheels straight up and down, at least visually. Yeah, I still need to get an alignment, but I can't even get it to the alignment shop yet. I'm going to start on some body work. Can you see that? I can't see in the viewfinder, but going to wet sand the nose piece a little bit. There's a couple pieces where in the mold it looks like it has some little dips. Here, I'll show you. You can see these right here. Alright, there's one of them, and right there's the other. But all in all, the mold looks pretty nice. So this is a fiberglass reproduction, and I'll put the link to the place I got it in the description below, video description. But you do have to do a couple modifications, which is no big deal. Beats making your own. But this is a tab that they use to pull the nose out of the mold. So that has to, I'm going to cut that off here in just a minute. There's two of them. There's one on this side. And then these are the tabs that you see, they're all around the perimeter here. And those tabs are what you see. I've got a wasp here. And those tabs are what go on that plate there. So that, like what I said earlier, that plate's got to come off. That's why. So you'll slide that plate up underneath here, and then you'll reattach it from the back side of the, you can see it here probably better. You go to the back side of the fender and reattach it. And then there's a couple mounting points across the top here that you attach it to. And then this grill, you've got to get this out of here with an angle grinder or something like that, because on the original, which was a polyurethane or something, there was a gap here that would slide into, but to beef this up, to beef the ribs up, they fill that with epoxy. So not a big deal. I'm half thinking of maybe looking on eBay or something and getting a stainless steel mesh and just gluing it on the back there, because I don't know what the difference would be. It's not a big deal. The grills are there, which is okay, but it might be easier. It might even look better with some nice stainless steel on there. So I don't know. We'll look into that. But right now I think I'm going to cut these off. And in the interest of safety glasses and a breather. Fiberglass itches bad. like my videos, please subscribe, smash that like button, and hit your notifications, and I should have a new video up for you pretty soon. All right, have a great day. Thank you.